1. Plan your day before it starts. 3 important things to do. Make it clear. Make it sharp. 2. No screen time during first hour in the morning. Focus on you. World will wait. 3. Get prepared. Clean, fresh, ready. Not for beauty, not for others. For you to feel ready to face anything this day brings. 4. Plank. Plank is an isometric core exercise, where you hold your body in a straight line from head to heels. Daily planks will build discipline and resilience. Try it. One who thinks that 1 minute not a lot of time, never stand in plank. 5. Eat your frog first. Before you scroll, before the world overtakes you. Do something you don't want to do. Always show up. Win your first battle of the day. 6. Remove doubt. You don't have time for this. Be CEO of your own mind. It is you who decides what you are thinking of. Be decisive. Pick thoughts that are helpful for you. 7. Read, reflect, repeat. 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. You already will get in top 5% of population by doing this, while others scroll. 8. Repeat after me each day. I am enough. I don't care. I always win. Once again, I am enough. I don't care. I always win. You will become unshakable. 9. Drinking water and eat clean. This is your superpower. This is what you build from. Treat your body as if it would be a car you will have for all your time on this planet Earth. Because it literally is. Take care of your most important asset, your body. 10. Say no. Hold on to your plan, your priorities. 11. Daily time without your phone. 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. Start small and prolong it, as much as you can. No destruction, no cheap dopamine, only clarity. This is when your creativity will pop up. Thank me later. 12. Build relationships. Quality of your relationships is the best predictor of your happiness. Invest in people you love. Deep conversations. Meaningful time together. Be intentional on this one. 13. Move. Move a lot. Motion will make you feel alive. Motion will bring clarity. Motion will clear your mind. 14. Journal, always, every day. What is not written doesn't exist. Put everything on paper. Your thoughts, your plans, your beliefs. Observe. Be honest. Reflect. 15. Be grateful. Every day, each day. You are alive. Many are not any longer. They would want to be in your place. Make this day count. Make them proud. Subscribe.